Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
We say whatever a guy needs in his life, I got it from Nifty.
Hello everyone, welcome to our first episode of Know Your Alumni. Today we have Tarun Kumar. He's a BTech 2017 and an MTech 2019 graduate from Vietnam. He's also the founder of StitchMyWay.com. From the last 1 year, he's serving Indian Army. Let's hear it from Tarun, his journey from Vietnam towards Indian Army. Hi Tarun.
Hi everyone. Thank you, Gagan, for starting this wonderful thing. First of all, I hope you guys are safe and sound at your places and doing good, keeping safe by staying at home. So,
Start with why engineering? How did you got into engineering? Now you are in the defense, so why you chose engineering?
Engineering was never my plan. I wanted to do BTech, not BTech, MSc from IIT Kanpur because that was the best college for the MSc. But I couldn't make it through for obvious reasons, and then I landed up in a college called NIFTM, which happens to be the best in the food. That's why I chose it. I thought I will do something good in food, and I will make something wonder like, people like Jobs, Steve Jobs, and all in food sector. That's what I thought initially, and then my dream shattered.
Okay, so you have spent 6 years in the campus. So tell us something about your journey at campus. How was your life? How your friends and everything? What did you do?
Yeah, campus is nothing. It's the people who make it a campus. So I started with a bunch of foolish people whom I call sevens. So we had this group, and sevens plus a lot of people who made my campus life fun. We learned a lot. Starting from the very first day, we were friends, and gradually we learned that there are a lot of problems in the campus. So we were not among those who crept about the system. So we started to do something. We wanted to bring some changes. So we started with a tuck shop. We wanted to bring a tuck shop. There was no tuck shop. There was no startup at that time. So we made a plan, but that failed again. That failed. To prove our point, we started selling golgappas, ice cream in food fest and all. That didn't work. But from there, we learned that if you keep trying something, you will get something good. And then a lot of things happened. We started a lot of hostel activities, debating, quizzes. Meanwhile, one of my friend Marotra, he started doing gym. That also motivated us to start something good. Then Archit happened. He was a fabulous player with the TT racket. A lot of things happened. I got good friends. Did a lot of organization and not organizing a lot of stuff. NSL happened, and it was pretty good. College was pretty good. There are a lot of problems in the college, but we ended up with getting a lot of good things. Leadership qualities came from the college. How you manage your time, that came from the college, and how you stay focused, that came from the college. How you find solutions for the problem, that came from the college. So, in a brief note, finding solutions came from the college.
Okay, so you didn't have much facilities as we have today in the campus. Still, you managed to run a startup. So how was your startup journey? How did you get into it? How Stitch My Way happened?
Yeah, I won't call it a proper startup. Yeah, it was an idea. It is an idea. Still, it is an idea. It started with it's a remote campus in Gundli. You don't get formals, and formals is something which you need to wear every now and then in any presentation. So there was a problem of formals. So we got a solution. We managed to start something called StitchMyWay.com, and with a couple of motivated juniors from juniors, you are also one of those, Gagan. So juniors like Gagan, Chirag, Dinesh, a lot of juniors. The Stitch My Way thing happened, and we got tailors from nearby places, Narela, Bahadurgarh, Gurgaon. And we got them customized stitching done in the college itself. And after 2 years, we were earning pretty good. From the hostel, without putting in much of effort, we were doing good. And it was like then we got hoodies also in our portfolio. It was going good, but then things changed, and I also started to move towards other things. But Stitch My Way taught us a lot of good things, like doing marketing um, stuff, how you brand your product, how you advertise it. We did wonderful things like advertising uh, our simple like hoodie. I still remember we had this event called 18 plus for just advertising, marketing our hoodies. So these kind of plans came from the college itself. Without doing much, we were pretty good at that time, according to a college startup.
So after BTech, people are always lean towards placements, but you opted out of campus placement. So how was that? How was the decision
But
made?
yeah, I'm not a person who likes terms and conditions. First of all, till in when I was college, in that time I never liked terms and conditions. Now, so I have a lot of terms and conditions. That was not my job. That was not my kind of stuff. So I wanted to try myself. So I never sat for any CID thing, not even for internship interview. I remember somebody from CID only called me a useless creature, and then I thought let me show them who the fuck I am. So out of arrogance, you say, or out of there was this problem, or there was this problem. So I got a solution. I made something. I advertised myself. I put up all the things what I have done, like a food label, and I uh, made it online. And by the end of the day, I was having pretty like 10 job offers, and out of them, which job or internship suited my kind of thing, I opted for that, and I was getting pretty good money at that time. According for a intern, that was I guess highest at that time. And same with the job, CID is good. It's doing a pretty good job. No doubt about that. But again, in my opinion, free birds like me don't fall into all these kind of things. So uh, I again ventured out, and again in MTech I got internship of my own choice. Same with that stuff. And again, I was earning good. And same apart from that, internship is a time when you can experiment. You can learn good things. So people who want to do something good or who have other plans apart from food sector, they should get into some kind of thing where they can test themselves. So I wanted to test myself, and I hope I tested those things only helped me out to get whatever I wanted.
Okay. Like, so you ended up into defense. So how was your preparation? How did you approach? Like, what should you do for defense? Was it always up to your mind?
Yeah, defense was my childhood. What do you say? What when people asked in LKG, I wanted to become a defense officer at that time. But you grow up, then you realize that no, this is not your type, kind of thing. So I wanted to be an astrophysicist, then a politician, then a food entrepreneur, then a businessman. So defense was not my kind of that thing. But gradually I learned from the college itself that there are two people who serve the nation directly. That is a businessman, and the other one is a Fauji. So I was doing business. So I thought let's see about this thing. So I was not at all serious, and I ended up being rejected for the first time. That changed me a lot, and then I thought let's give it a try. Then I went again and again. 8 times I went. And on 8th attempt I got recommended, and I'm here. So if you want to go into defense, then you should be first of all you should be motivated enough. That's the first thing. You should be motivated enough because it's a tough job. It's a very tough job. And second thing is that you should find solutions to every problem. Our life is full of problems, and there are a lot of solutions in our mind. So we need to take out all those solutions and put them on the ground. For example, take it from the college itself. Bhai, agar Saqib is not providing some stuff, get it online. Okay. People say that there is no fun in the campus. Organize something. Then they say that there is no placement in the campus. First, you become eligible for that kind of a thing. Okay, so do something good. I remember people don't work that much out in campus. Still, I think that might be the case. They waste a lot of time. The third thing is don't waste time. Motivation, don't waste time, and find a solution to the problem. Those three things will help you get into not only defense to any kind of place.
Okay, so tell us, like, what is the difference between Tarun before Niftam and after Niftam? Like, what changed the most? Something.
Abhi, it's a hell lot of change, yeah. Whatever I am because of my college only, yeah. Seriously. And college also, I was a very shy kind of a person when I literally got passed out from 12th. And then when I ended up in college, I wanted to venture out and try myself. So I got lovely bunch of people, a lot of people, not even seven, more than apart from these seven teachers, I have a lot of people who changed me. I started venturing out. I became a good extrovert person. I was very outspoken. I did a lot of blunders. I did a lot of mistakes. I was a what we call a fuck all person when it came to execution. So these guys taught me how to execute things, and then I learned how to save money, how to be very focused. That thing Niftam taught me. Niftam was a place where you can do. You don't have there's a lot of time in Niftam. Seriously, I'm telling you, this much time you won't get anywhere. So we had a lot of time in Niftam. So from there I learned that if I do something, if for example, if I want to work out, why not put 2 hours in the morning for the workout? So when I joined college, I was able to do only one push-up, only one. Now, so it's like whatever the number is, we have to do it. When I came out of the college, I was doing pretty good things. Physically, mentally, financially, I was sound. I got my friends, my love, my profession, and whatever you say, whatever a guy needs in his life, I got it from Niftam. I'm telling you, friends, there is nothing scarcity in the college. It's the scarcity inside you. You don't have zeal to work. If you feel like craving out the college, seriously, I'm telling. It's a very wonderful college and it's a wonderful place. Just keep venturing out and keep trying yourself there. Find solutions to the problem. People find problems to the solutions. Seriously, that's the opposite. Yeah? That's how it's a pretty much change. Here I'm somewhat like 7 years now from the college. Life is, it's that, what we say, puri ulti ho gayi yaar. I was something else and I became something else, and I'm very happy with it. Till now I'm happy. अभी तक तो ठीक ही चल रहा है. अभी देखते हैं about this pandemic thing happen.
Okay, so one message that you would like to give to all your juniors, batchmates, basically all the Niftamites out there listening to you.
I'm no one to give any message. I can just tell what I think people should do, and what I did. So we had this thing that we found tarika for everything. I have broken every rule in the college. I'm telling you. Right from getting, I won't explain in this. So break rules. Whatever, do a lot of maze. College is for maze only. Do maze. Do a lot of things. But at the end of the day, stick to your profession. Be very honest to your profession. For example, your profession is to do something good for the country. So you should, it's not a profession, it's a duty. It's a duty, okay? Your duty is to do something good for the country. So you should be there. For a food technologist, you should be there. Read a lot of books if you want to do something good in food sector. Read a lot of books. Venture out for conferences. Try some startup things. Try some new NPD. Okay, if you want to do something in food. If you want to study, then keep studying. Don't waste your time. I see people wasting a lot of time. A lot of time. Then they crib about the system that yaar yahan kuch nahi, yahan placements nahi hoti. I'm telling you, all of my friends got whatever they are because of this college only. A lot of are there. A lot of ended up in IIM. Some are doing good in abroad, UK, US. People have started their own ventures in Chhattisgarh. People are doing good in Ahmedabad. Some asshole is doing very good in some good companies in ITC and all. So everyone made it at the end of the day, and that was because we never wasted time. Don't waste time and find solutions. to the problem. Don't crib about the system. Okay. At the end of the day, that is the only thing. You will remember the days, you will remember the things, but you won't remember. Nobody says that our college is bad. Nobody says. See, now I have passed out like 3 years. Back I passed out. I don't say that it was bad. Even from a Urdu college, if someone gets passed out, no, even they don't crib about the college. It's when we are there in the college and we crib about it. So don't crib. Find solution. Or if there is a problem, find a solution to it. Don't crib. That's what I will say. That's the only thing I will say. That don't crib. Find solution. That's it.
Okay.
And everything will be fine. And
Okay, it was great hearing you, Lieutenant Tarun.
great. You're doing good, yeah. Keep doing this wonderful thing and bring more people in.